Hello everyone. Dom was over today and our main goal was to get the tail lights, stop lights on the 74 working. We finally figured out what it was, and really it was kind of simple. In fact, it's so simple we're not even going to tell you what it was. But everything is operational. We also connected the courtesy lights and they seem to work fine now. Of course, they're not hooked up where they have to go, but they're all working. Same within the back, so very happy with that. And the one thing I'm a little disappointed in is the LEDs that I put into the dash. Just looking at them, I'm not going to be doing a lot of night driving, but I guess it has to be really dark to appreciate it. These are non-adjustable, but they're decent. I mean, lights up nice. But the big plus are the taillights. And there they are. And now they work. Also, the reverse lights work. We never tested them before because we never put the gear shift into reverse, but they lit right up. So it was the two taillights. And again, something really simple. So you really need to go over things before you determine what it is, if that makes any sense. All right, have one more thing to show you. Okay, as I said just a few seconds ago, we did get some things accomplished today. And we have a question. And let's see if you could come up with the same answer or even theory that Dominic did. But we installed the hood alarm switch here. And if you can see, there's a lot of play in this. Okay, you can see underneath. And Dominic's Luigi also has the same amount of play. So we're curious to find out if any other 74 owners have this play in here and why. Why do you think there's play in there as compared to the switches in your door jambs and your courtesy lights there? All right, so post up in the comments below. And we'll close out the video with the little electric light show. And obviously, working good. All right, catch you later.